Okay, I'm down here by my buddy's pond. It has beaver in it. Let's see if I can. The beaver's right out there in between these two trees. Here he comes. I don't know if you can see him. Here he is. He's out there swimming around. I'm gonna have to get a zoom lens so we can get up close to him. I'm kind of back up in the woods here. So we still have beaver in Ohio. Maybe he'll come to us. I don't want to spook him, so I can't move. I gotta move real slow. Didn't take him long once I got set up here. My battery's getting ready to die. But yep, that's a beaver. He looks like he's going to the other bank there. He said there's a couple of them with pups. I don't see any of the young ones. Oh, there he goes. He just went under. Oh, come back up. He's a big one. I was hoping he'd come over this way. Yeah, we'll come in and get something so we can zoom in on him so you guys can see him better. Ah, he just went under. You might have seen me move. Usually if they're dangerous, they'll smack their tail. But we haven't seen beaver in these valleys in probably 40 years since I was a boy. People thought they were a nuisance. As you can tell, they're in his pond, and his pond's doing just fine. Beaver are like the best dam builders there are. Oh, that could be him coming up right here. Yep, that looks like a big fish. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed it. That's the beaver. We'll get some zoom in, and beaver dam's up here. So he came out. It took me a minute to have to set up. And you see the beaver dam, or the beaver hut. Keep saying dam. Well, I'm on the dam. You can see it over there. It's all the sticks they piled up. And they barrel up underneath of it. Yeah, that was pretty good. So we'll get some zoom in lens or something, and we'll just take it from there and see if we can zoom in on him, get a better look at him. Maybe we can catch him cutting down a tree. That's what they eat, wood and plant vegetation. You see it floating around in the water. So that's probably what they're cutting down. But this is all his. Like I say, I got good neighbors. And the beaver are free to do what they want. No one bothers them. Well, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It's just been a great day. This is in the evening. Close to a pipeline. Yeah, it's fun. I get to go a little bit everywhere. And this is a spillway, and you can see where they put all the mud. That looks like a beaver track right there. Yep, that's what that is, a beaver track. You can kind of get a better look at that one. They just pile the mud up and clog everything up. But the water's not flowing real good up that valley, so we won't get a lot of water until the rain. But hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Peace.